Today's Quranic word of the day is wa'd, which means promise. The Quran mentions two types of promise. The first type of promise is made by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and is always true. He subhanahu wa ta'ala has promised us that all humans will stand before Allah on the day of judgment. Those who have lived good lives and worshipped Allah have been promised paradise. And those who have disbelieved and disobeyed Allah have been promised hellfire. The second type of promise is made by Shaytan, the devil. In Surah IBRAHIM, we are told about a speech Shaytan will give to the people of hellfire. Shaytan will say when the matter will have been decided, Allah promised you a truthful promise. وَوَعَدْتُكُمْ فَأَخْلَفْتُكُمْ, while I gave you a promise and did not fulfill it. So don't believe the false promise of Shaytan and instead aim to be from the believers who are promised Jannah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.